Welcome back, everyone. You may be in a situation where for some reason you're getting this little pop-up that says, "Error, your account has been disabled for violating our terms on Instagram." Now, whether the pop-up looks like this or it looks something like this, or maybe it changes in the future, essentially there's really only one way to fix this. And the first thing I'm going to tell you is that if you were doing a lot of crazy stuff on your Instagram account, if you were randomly doing a bunch of bot-like behavior, if you were spamming, if you were going against the terms of service, hate speech, really anything like that, the chances of you getting your account back are very, very slim. And Instagram is going to send a person basically to your account, look through all of your posts, and if your account is deemed inappropriate in any form or fashion, well, then you're not really going to get your account back. So you might as well make a new account, but you can at least try. One thing you can do actually too is make your way over to your Safari browser, internet browser, whatever, and you can actually search up Instagram, recover Instagram account deactivated. The first little pop-up that comes up is this Instagram page, and it's going to tell you, what can I do if my Instagram account has been disabled? And this little page will go ahead and tell you exactly what you can do. There really isn't anything crazy like I mentioned, but the big thing you can do is to appeal this decision. So what they basically tell you to do is to log back into your Instagram account on the Instagram application. So what you want to do is you want to open up the Instagram app once more, and you want to go ahead and log in with your specific account information. So once you're on your login page and you log in, you will go ahead and get a pop-up that looks something like this again. Now this pop-up is going to state, your account has been disabled for violating our terms. Learn how you may be able to restore your account. And then it says if you want to download your data, you can go there. Now, you'll see two different options: cancel, but you'll also see learn more. You want to click learn more. Now, within that other page that comes up, you will be able to appeal this decision. So you'll be able to read through what happened. There may even be an appeal button right here as well. So what you can do here is you can click learn more and you can click appeal. And at that point, you can go ahead and appeal this decision. Now, why is this important? Well, you can basically go through and pretty much fix any issue that Instagram may have with your account. And you may actually be able to talk to somebody within Instagram too. So within there, that's pretty much the main thing you can do. The only other way to go around this is to make a new account, but appealing it is probably the best way to go ahead and recover your actual account. So that's kind of pretty much it. If you have any other questions or anything like that, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.